Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Strava app. How to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on Strava. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about Strava app and we click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first step and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.